Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 846, and in this video I will show you what to do if your laptop's battery is draining way too fast. The first thing you can change is the power settings or the power mode. To do that, right click the battery icon on your status bar, then select power and sleep settings. After that, go to the power mode and change it from balanced to best power efficiency. You can change this value for both plugged in and on battery options. This will increase your device's battery lifetime. Also, you can go to screen sleep and Hibernate timeouts and set values to the recommended ones right here. And you can also consider using energy saver. To do this, expand this menu, and if you want to turn it on manually, switch this toggle to the right. And if you want to, you can set a value value of the battery level at which you want the battery saver to start automatically. Now, and the last option lets you toggle lowering screen brightness when energy saver is on. And the next thing that you can do is check the applications that use the most of your battery power. To do that, right click the taskbar, open Task Manager, and then in Processes section, right click one of the columns you see right here and select Power Usage. Then sort the application by power usage and check the applications that use the most power on your device. These are basically the applications that drain your battery the most. And if you want to close the application like this, just right click on it and select End Task, and this will turn off this application. Now, the next thing that you can do is check the Bluetooth devices connected to your computer. To do that, click these three icons on your status bar and check if your Bluetooth is turned on. If it's turned on, go to the list of devices and disconnect the devices that you are not currently using. Also, you may consider turning off the cellular and hotspot if you're using it right now. The next thing is keeping your device up to date. To keep your device up to date, go to the Start menu, then open Settings, then go to Windows Update section on the left side of the window. Click Check for updates if you don't have any updates prepared for you. If you do, click Download and Install. You can also go to Advanced Options and click and check for optional updates right here. If there are any optional updates, you can download and install them too. These are usually the driver updates that are very important too for your device. To get more updates that are specific for your device and to get more optimization features as well, you have to download the official HP software called HP Support Assistant. You can download it from the official HP website. To do that, open your web browser, then the search engine, for example Google, and search for HP Support Assistant, and then find the official support.hp.com website that says HP Support Assistant. Open it and then click right here to download the setup file. Once the file is downloaded, you can run it. Click Yes, Next, then read and accept user license agreement. Click Next once again. Then you can choose the destination folder if you'd like. Then click Next and wait until the application is installed. Once it's installed, you'll be notified with a window like this. Okay. And right now, what you have to do is go to the Start menu. If you don't see this application on your desktop, because usually it appears on your desktop, you can open it from here, or you can go to the Start menu, all applications, then find HP Support Assistant on the list. Open it. Then first time you download it, you're gonna have to sign in or sign up your HP account. It's pretty simple. And once you do that, go to the third tab right here on the left, and then first of all, let's check for software and drivers. To do that, click right here, and as you can see, I'm up to date, but usually there is a Diagnostics going to check if my device is up to date, but for right now it says that I'm fully up to date, so I don't have nothing to install. But generally speaking, if you have something to install, you just hit the checkbox next to updates you want to download and install, and then click this button, and they get downloaded and installed automatically. You don't have to do anything, just restart your computer once the drivers are updated. Now the next step to make your device faster is by optimizing its performance. To do that, launch this application right here. And once you launch it, you're gonna see the simple interface. If you click optimize, it will basically optimize your device's main parts, but if you want to additionally do something like empty recycle bin, clean web browser's history, you can hit the checkboxes next to these features and then click optimize and wait until the PC is optimized. Okay, I got some errors right here, but it's probably because I don't have anything to clear right now on my computer. Okay, you can also run hardware and operating system diagnostics by using these two features, and check your battery too, because if your battery is low, if your battery health is poor, then the only way to make your laptop faster would be by first replacing your battery. So here you can check the battery health status. As you can see, it's normal for now. Okay, and so basically that's all the tips I had to share with you. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.